What's going on, everyone? Welcome to all the new members. We had a lot of you guys join today. I appreciate all you guys and girls out there. I wanted to give you this video to show you some tools that I'm implementing for the group, and I plan to do that, over the future, over the course of time as we move on here. Let me turn off the Discord notifications. But anyways, this is Alphaquery, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and give everyone in the group this, so everyone has it. So if you want to use this, I'm going to send this Excel sheet in a minute. It has the login and the password. Just obviously keep it within the group, and don't let it get outside because, again, it's a tool for us to use. And basically, I'm going to leave links in here and how it works. I'm going to show you a little tutorial how to use it. It's alphaquery.com. It's a very good website. Now, it's not the best when it comes to data. We're going to get that later. We have SIBO data that I wanted to eventually get, which hopefully we'll get that sometime at the end of February. But anyways, this is good for now to check the things that we want to check with this. And what we want to do is the security tickers box. All you got to do is go to this link here that says alphaquery.com/table after you log in. And once you're logged in, you just come here and you can type any ticker like GME, AMC, Kirk, AGL, MU, CN, all this. You can type this, and then this is how you make different tickers for the columns. And whenever you have the tickers you want, and what I would recommend doing, the easiest way to update this, because this will have to be updated, obviously, not on a daily basis, but I would say at least twice a week. You just take this, all these tickers right here, this whole column, just copy this, and just paste it over, and then erase the ticker, obviously. And then add whatever else you wanted to add to this list, and then select your metrics from this left-hand side. So what I like to do for this strategy, I like to look at the free float. I like to look at the beta. I like to look at the percentage held by institutions. That's huge. I like to look at the 52-week high, the 52-week low, the current price, current closing price. So if you wanted a daily update, it would be, just the closing price. But closing price, 52-week high, 52-week low. Total money flow, 13 weeks, I'm not sure if that really matters. Percent change in price, but you can go through and you can customize this as you see fit for yourself. This is the way I like to do it for this strategy specifically. This is huge too. So earnings cycles are on 13-week cycles, right? So you want to know the percent change you're looking at as far as the past 13 weeks. So this is a good one too. A couple other things, you want consecutive weeks of increasing price and consecutive weeks of decreasing price. You can even throw in days there if you want. Whatever you feels best for you. And that's basically it. And then you have this list of tickers here. It can work up top to bottom, or you can type them out, side to side. It doesn't matter. As long as they're on here, you're good. Hit run. If you want to name it, table name will be playlist for January. Now keep in mind, all of these are not plays. These are things that need to be looked through. And this is kind of a mixed bag of old plays, new plays that we found today, and kind of a upcoming earnings calendar. So it's kind of an all-in-one type deal. Oh, speaking of that, you can also add in, and there's a lot of stuff on here. A lot of stuff. It's very, very useful. Wouldn't recommend using all of it, but most of it's pretty good. Where is it? You can measure the last day since earnings. Days until next expected earnings report. Next expected quarterly earnings report date. That's what you want. So now we have everything we need. All of our columns selected, and the columns do get put in order based on how you select them here. So keep that in mind. So we hit run. Boom. Instant table. 103 entries. Just go here. Go to all. For some reason, this doesn't work, which is kind of disappointing, but to salvage that, you just do the old school way. Copy it all. Go back to your sheet. Then I'll link this so everyone has it, and then boom, paste it. If you want to keep the formatting that you have from the website, you can, or you can just keep the destination formatting, which is what I like to do. And then what I like to do here is once I get all the data here, I go to this column here, the earnings report date. And it looks like it's already in order for us based on date. So that's the order it should come up in first. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. I'm retarded. Sort and filter. Oldest to newest. Boom, there we go. Now we have a list of earnings. Now keep in mind, to get this list originally, I had to go to the Webull app and go to the calendar and jot them all down, which is what I recommend everyone doing, is look at all these opportunities. Now, will all these be plays? No. But we have to go through and look at all these. And there's been more that's been added. So again, I'm going to have to go through here and update this again. So again, we're going to require community effort. This tool is for everyone to use and should help you tremendously. You saw how fast I just got this data. And now we have this data set. So now we can look at our best spread, go to the percent change in 13 weeks, highlight this column, filter it by largest to smallest, or smallest to largest, DWAC 461. That might be a red flag. I'm going to consider that one bad data. BRG, beta's 1, nice. I think people are playing puts on that one. F, there we go. That it makes sense, right? Ford, I got a Ford today, big time. And if you want to check max pain, I listed everything in this first sheet 1 here. You have Alphaquery table, the login and password, and then you have max pain, which, let me get here. This is the max pain website that we use, and we are working on that as well. So post that there, and there you go. I'll erase the ticker. That way when you go there, it won't take you to the wrong website. So there you go. You should be all set. So this is just to last for now. We're going to get better data in the near future. And yeah, I'm trying to get y'all all set up before I do leave for about 4 or 5 days on the 21st. So this should help. Hopefully that made sense with the little tutorial on it. But yeah, everyone should have access to it. Very, very cool, handy tool to use. So anyways, importance of plays, obviously, on the chart. I mean, literally, go through that list and just start putting them in, input them in, and go to the daily. What do you see? Gap. Next. Just do this at first. Just type them all in, look which ones have gaps, which ones don't at first glance. Gap. ACCD gap today, I think. Yep, there's another one. Minor, but still there. Kirk. You see they're all similar characteristics right off the bat. Because they're all similar characteristics right off the bat. Because they're all in the same baskets. So this is basically what we're doing, right? Same shit, different day. Same shit, different stock. You pick one. I pick one. It's all the same. There's mid-earnings gap cycles like this one. You see it doesn't gap on earnings. It gaps midway through. That's a mid-gap cycle. And you go to GBio, which should be another mid-gap cycle. Yep, another mid-gapper. And you go to, what's another one? CN. That's an up-gapper. We just saw a bunch of puts or call plays. These are put plays. See how they're exact opposite? Put play here. Call play there. Exact opposite. Let's do Moo. Everyone hates Moo, I know, but hey, it's going to die soon. Don't worry. Moo, 2 gaps to fill in the downside. I'm not even moving the chart. This is how easy this shit is. What else? And I memorized all these because I've been looking at them daily, trying to figure out what the hell's going on here. I mean, you see that it's just similar, very, very, very similar. So just use your eyes, and that's the most important tool you have here. And I'll help provide you the tools and resources you need to make it as easy as humanly possible. So again, alpha advantage for the win for now.